All right, good morning. Today is November 2nd and today's FOMC day. ADP already came out. Let's see what the results are. Okay, so much better. Um, you know, more people employed than expected, but not much movement from the market. But today, 2 o'clock and 2:30, I got a video on, how to catch those trades and see here, done some analysis on what happens. So yeah, you know, pretty good. Excited. November 2 and December 14th. There might be some setups, and it looks like whatever the stop loss is, the max favorable exposure excursion is basically almost double it. So I could at least get a 1-to-1 and then close stops. So far, that is the trend. So, anyways, here on the daily, um, these are basically my zones. If it drops, maybe here, maybe I'll use this, maybe. But it's pretty clean. Um, let's see the weekly. Yeah, actually the weekly could make it drop all the way down there. That would be cool. Daily's down here. Okay. So the 4 hour, nice support down here. Support right here. That's pretty, that's pretty clean right there, man. And you got a little resistance right there. Okay, resistance up here, of course. Let's just fix that. And above that, you still got that resistance. Highly doubt it'll go bullish, but just gotta get both sides ready. All right, 1 hour. Let's draw this thing. What's that? Right, that. And this one. So here, maybe some resistance. Probably would need some volume. Um, oh, oh, we'll see. Nice, super clean range for this to drop down there. That would be nice. All right, 30-minute time frame. Okay, 30. Good. If this thing drops, 489, that is pretty good. 489, that's here, 200, yep. All right. For FOMC, I'm going to use 0.5% because that is high impact news plus slippage. You never know. Yeah, so that's basically it. This is the setup. The zones that I got, basically either gonna take buys above here, or maybe I'll take sells here. It's a bit risky, just because it's been some wicks and yeah, it's pretty clean 130. Maybe at NYSE Open, but my favorite would be to sell all the way down here. This is just so clean. Yeah, like this is so clean. So those are my those are my plan. It was a 30-minute time frame, and now I'm just gonna be transferring this over onto MetaTrader. And yeah, so we'll be back. All right, so here, um, looking at the 4 hour, the 4 hour closed bearish right below this, which is nice. So basically, maybe at NYC Open, This could just drop. You know, maybe it'll drop about 60 points to the next to fill this wick. Could retest that resistance and then it'll drop. The 1 hour, yeah, you know, look at that. First 1 hour close below this. I would like, yeah, we'll see. Here's a little support. It's a minor support level. Um, you know, but the 4 hour looks nice. Finally got a closure. Broke that support and gonna maybe go back down. 30-minute. One thing with 30-minute is now this one, 8:30, 9:30, closing pretty much in a doji. So what I think might happen is this could go up, maybe hover, and then drop. Or it will hover, break, go into the zone, and just stay in here until 2 o'clock. You know, that's what I think could happen. Yeah. Otherwise, I mean, just if you look at trade MetaTrader, there's really no trades right now. Yeah, there's no trades. This one is, yeah, 60 pips, 58 pips. We'll see. We'll see how it is at the open. So here we're gonna get ready for the NYSE Open. I'm just gonna look at a 30-minute. Glad the 30-minute popped up here on TradingView, but here on MetaTrader where it's bigger, all right. Basically, the plan is to sell. We're gonna take sells, and it's gonna look something like this, just like that. Reason why we got an hourly close below, 4 hour close below. Still a wick fill down there. 1 hour, 4 hour, everything's bearish. 4 hour, 1 hour, close below the zone. 30-minute close below the zone. Still clean over here. Tap that, you know. But with this 30-minute giving some volume, especially NYSE Open, maybe we can, you know, drop. So we're gonna see where this thing goes. All the way down to the DP. Because we can still fill all the way here. Right? Let's see. 30-minute has a setup. Ooh, drop in. There's volume. So now we will do this, risking 1%. Wide stop loss. 60. I'll do 1%. Bigger finger on the sells. So 30-minute close bearish. If we break this low, we should continue dropping. I'll just keep a wide stop loss. Actually, no. Yeah, I'll keep a wide stop loss. $65. Okay, we are filled. Gonna close at 50. Or even here. If it comes here, I'm gonna close maybe half. But looking at structure, I want 50 because this one should be, yeah, 40 points. You know what? Let's just secure 40. Okay. Just gonna document this. 66.74. BP is pretty big, 550. So based off 30-minute structure, we got, ooh, man, spreads sometimes getting too big. Based off, if this rejects this low, which on the 30-minute, oh no, it was on the 15, right? And feel it brings stop the entry. It's just been choppy. It's okay. There we go. Yeah, I brought stops to entries. Spreads were getting wide, and you know, it was a possible area of support. I got slipped a little actually with the volume. I think I put it here, so maybe 1 or 2 points, 20 something points in profit, but it's okay. Managed. Nice candle. Yeah, see, it dropped and went all the way up, -10 pips, and then dropped. Like, but the 5 minutes, let's go. Safer clean. The safer cells will be below this. Below this wick, it's much, much safer. It's just clean. So clean. Nothing else. Good. There you go. See, basically filled that area. Mhm. Now, yeah, I would have lost. See, it broke it. Yeah, broke its own high. Would have been a losing trade. I wonder how much points that was. What, 20, let's say 23. Only saw 62 bucks. So that's an okay break even trade. Managing risk. I go to bed by 10 though, because yeah, what usually happens is it's gonna consolidate and nothing's gonna happen. Just looking at US30 on the 30-minute, it's nothing. But this is a price action and volume already seems to have died down. You know what? And I'm probably not gonna take any trades. I'll give it till 10. Come back at 145, 150. And a quick 60 bucks, eh? 60 bucks of my bank account. Not even a percent. Negligible. All right, I'm gonna pause right here and come back after this candle closes. So 15-minute closed. You can see it closed in a doji. And that, yeah, still didn't break that low. So now I think this low over here. Now I think this new 15-minute candle will break that low and continue all the way down here. It was pretty choppy. You can even tell it was choppy because it ended off in an indecision candle. So on the 5-minute time frame, you can see it wick down and all the way up, and then close here, and then slowly going bearish. So honestly, it looks like this will just range until FOMC at 2 o'clock today. And then, yeah, there's really no point to trade. I will watch it on the 30-minute, actually on the 1 hour, to see if this will close below this. If this closes below that zone, then there is potential for this to drop all the way. But there's no volume. So that's the only thing that doesn't make sense. So I think here it'll come down, maybe do some fake out, come back up, and then FOMC time, props. We'll see. We'll see. We'll watch it. All right. So market's not going to be moving, as expected. What moves could I? It's going up, holding that support. This 15. I guess the move could have been at 9.15 maybe. Take this. But yeah, I'm gonna take it off one. I like to wait for the 30-minute to close, which is up there, and it actually dropped down and it went up. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. No setup. Gonna shut it down and start another one at 2 o'clock. So yeah, let's go.